Welcome back. Well, after a little bit of a foggy start this morning, a nice warm afternoon, light winds. If you like today, you're going to like tomorrow as well. Probably a foggy start, a partly cloudy finish, and temperatures topping out upwards of 83 to 84 degrees. Few spots maybe 85, and that humidity inching upward. Summer's not that far away. So let's take a look at the big picture and let's get a hold of our next weather maker sitting off the coast of California. That's going to be riding eastward as pretty much on the I-10 corridor, and we'll get here by Friday, producing rain and storms by Thursday. And you see all this moisture out ahead of it. That's what we're going to see Thursday. So we're going to start to cloud up. This high pressure breaks down, moves off to the east, and then we're in for probably a pretty good soaking come Friday afternoon, evening, especially the nighttime hours into early Saturday. Pretty quiet across the U.S. now. A little bit of a frontal boundary to the north. No fronts in the 10-day forecast, by the way. There is some snow up across portions of the Great Lakes where winter is still holding on, but we're basking in spring-like temperatures and very light winds as high pressure is very approximate to our area, so very light east-southeast winds. That'll continue through tomorrow. Here comes the fog once again. Some high clouds. That frontal boundary off to the north of us still generating some showers up toward the Arclitex, but they shouldn't be impacting us. So another partly cloudy to mostly sunny afternoon with temperatures in the low to mid 80s more than likely. Another mild one tomorrow night. Not sure about fog with high clouds coming in as well, but we could see a little fog come Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon still warm, upper 70s, lower 80s, plenty of clouds, maybe a sprinkle, but then we'll be watching our system beginning to develop over toward Texas. Some big rains developing toward Texas as we head into Friday, and that'll be moving our way Friday afternoon and evening. And this is the Euro model's take on it. You can see some of the heavier rains and storms developing and then pushing into Louisiana as we head into late Friday afternoon, Friday night. This is at midnight Saturday, and here we are 7 a.m. Saturday with several rounds of rain and storms. Not expecting severe weather, although we can't rule out gusty winds, maybe some small hail, but the Storm Prediction Center really not going for much in the way of any severe weather threats, so that's the good news. And maybe we salvage Saturday afternoon, and at least Sunday is looking good with temperatures back into the lower 80s under mostly sunny skies. The Weather Prediction Center has hatched us in as we head into Friday for a slight risk of excessive rainfall. That's a level 2 out of 4, so there's going to be some spots in here that may catch 3 to 5 inches of rain or more. Here's the model output per the Euro showing anywhere between 1 to 2 inches of rain across our part of the world, higher amounts back toward southeast Texas, and the GFS is going for a pretty good soaking as well. We do need the rain. We've been a couple of inches behind for the month and for the year, so we do need the rain, and the ground will take it, hopefully not too much. But when you're showing 2 or 3 inches of rain, there could be isolated areas that see 3 to 5 or 6 or something like that. So we'll see how that plays out as we get closer to it. Lower 60s overnight tonight. Tomorrow back into the low to mid 80s. We hover in the 60s again tomorrow night, and the humidity gradually coming up as we work through the rest of the week, and upper 70s to lower 80s. Temperatures tempered by the cloud cover as we head into Thursday. Again, fog an issue once again. A dense fog advisory may be issued later on this evening or overnight tonight, and then that fog disappears as we head into mid-morning and the early afternoon hours. So a mild night ahead, fog developing maybe closer to daybreak, and that's what happened last night. So I think that much the same will happen tonight. Depends on winds, though, too. Out of the south-southwest, if they're in the 5-mile-per-hour range, it'll take longer for that fog to develop, or if develop at all. And then tomorrow, after morning fog and cloud cover, we'll call it a partly cloudy, warm, and more humid day for the afternoon. Temperatures reaching 84. We hit 83 today, so pretty close to today. Thursday, there's your cloud cover. Soaking rains will go 80% Friday afternoon, 90 to 100% Friday night, ending early Saturday. Saturday afternoon, maybe a little sun. Sunday looking good. Another weather system could bring us some showers on Monday, and the models look like they want to try to bring in some showers again on Tuesday. We'll check that and update the 10-day forecast accordingly. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.